Thank you for tuning into Energetic's Corner. Welcome, welcome, welcome if you're new. And if you've been here, I appreciate you for your support. So, it's spring break, and all the snacks that I got from Sam's Club or Costco, it's all gone. So now we got to be creative with what I have in my pantry. So with my Nutella flats that I made the last time, I'm like, well, how can I combine it? So I had peanut butter, Nutella, sugar, all that good stuff in here. So here we go. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of peanut butter and a cup and a half of Nutella. You can see that with 3 eggs and a quarter cup of flour and sugar, a tablespoon of sugar. I'm sorry. So I just incorporated the peanut butter and the Nutella first. And then this is like a dump recipe. And it takes, honestly, less than 12 minutes to make the entire thing, from mixing to putting in the sheets to baking, all of that. So right now I'm putting the quarter cup of flour, putting the tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to break the 3 eggs, dump them in there, mix them up. And guess what? Before we go out grocery shopping, it's important for us to look at the pantry, because you don't want to buy stuff and just leave it in there for it to expire. I love to experiment with what I have. I have so many recipes coming up with what I have in my pantry, and it's exciting to see how it tastes, how it looks, because I just have a picture in my mind and I make it happen, and then I come and share with you. So what I would encourage all of you wonderful people is to watch this video, like it, and subscribe and share. So here's what it looks like finally. It looks like a cake dough. Beautiful brown chocolate cake dough. That's just the texture or the consistency. So I've already lined up a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and I just smeared the dough in the pan. And here's what it looks like after I did so. And it's just a beautiful chocolate. Just love. All right, so I put it in the oven for 8 minutes, or like 8 minutes, I'm sorry. 10 minutes. What's wrong with me? I put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It came out, so I cut it off in long bars and then in rectangles. And the next piece I pick up, I'm going to show you how skinny it is, and then you can see the texture. So it's like a Pop-Tart, but it's crispier. And you can put peanut butter on it or Nutella on it and eat it as you please. I had it with my hibiscus tea. If you don't know, Canis Beverages, go to their website, order your flavor of hibiscus tea. It's amazing. So here's the texture. That's what it looks like. Or that's what it looks like. It's so tasty, so flavorful. So if you like both Nutella and peanut butter, here's what you have.